Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a quick review about this conditioner from L'Oreal. It's the Elvive Hyaluron Moisture 24 hours moisture sealing conditioner. I made another video for the shampoo, and this is a conditioner review. And still, as I said in the shampoo one, it's like worst thing I ever tried on my hair. Once I began to try this one along with the shampoo, it's like after a while I begin to notice that my hair begin to fall out like heavier than it was before. Yeah, it makes my hair looks healthier. It makes my hair looks like more smoother and more like alive, like shinier and healthy and like easy to manage and softer. Yes, but on the other side, I begin to notice like increase in my hair fallout. So I decided to stop using this. So the conditioner is empty actually, but it still have some of the shampoo. I don't use it anymore, but I decided to stop using them because I was reading a lot of people like saying it causes hair fall. So at the beginning, with the good effect that you have on your hair, you feel like no, it's not. But then I was eating healthy, I was drinking a lot of water, I was doing everything right, and I was taking hair vitamins in the same time using this product, but still having like more fallout of my hair. So I decided to stop using the shampoo and conditioner. The conditioner was empty, so like it was gone because of course we use more conditioner than you like the shampooing for the amount, so it was gone. But I stopped using the shampoo as well and replaced it with another sulfate free shampoo. And after like about like I can't really tell, but you can say a month. After a month, I begin to notice like a complete change on my hair fallout after stopping using it. I didn't change my hair routine back then. I just wanted to see if it's really cause a hair fall or it's just me. I was like imagining it. So after stopping using this, yeah, this caused a hair fall. Now I believe every girl talked about this, like the good effect of the conditioner and the shampoo if you combine both, and of course it would be more if you're using the serum. The effect on your hair feeling healthier, shinier, more manageable, and feeling softer will like will make you feel that there is something wrong. This doesn't cause the fallout, but if you notice that you have more fallout using this product while using any of these products, that's because of this. So I will never ever try this one again, and I don't recommend it to anyone. If you are thinking about buying it, don't. It will give you a good effect, but on the other hand, like your hair will just like my hair began like fall out like crazy. I can tell that I lost like half of it in this like one use thing, like one product, like one bottle thing using was just like a couple of months. So I can tell it's not that good. It's not that good at all for me. I will never use it again. I don't recommend it for anyone. I hate it. I hate it really. I'm trying my best to revive my hair again after using this one. I was trying to do that after the corona vaccine, and now I need to do that again because of this product. So never ever use it. Don't do that. So this is for this review. I really hope you like it. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and my other social media. Everything will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to go to Udemy and Fiverr to see my digital products and my courses, all in the description box again. So I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. I love you so much, guys. Bye.